Hello, everyone. I'm ready to read I Love Trains. Trains, trains, trains. I like trains. I like trains that hoot and roar as they rumble by my door. First come engines, big and strong, pulling lots of cars along. Some cars keep things from the rain. Some cars carry trucks or grain. Or cows or hogs or gas or logs. Some carry steel, some carry scrap. Or secret stuff that's under wrap. But the best car is at the end, and as the train goes round the bend, I wave, I'm glad to see the car that's Carrie's dad. Trains, trains, trains. I like trains. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story today. Thank you. See you again.